Microsoft Access 2010 page headers and footers. When you look at a report in Design View, you will see that it consists of different parts. In this case, a report header, a page header, a detail, a page footer, and a report footer. Let's talk about page headers. If you insert something in a page header, you will find that in Print Preview it will display on every page. The same will happen to page footer. If you insert something in page footer, it will display on every page at the bottom of a page. Let's look at this report in Print Preview. When you switch to Print Preview, you will find that this report consists of 2 pages. You can see it there at the bottom of the page, as well as when you click on the arrow, it will move to the next page. If you remember in Design View, at the top of the page we had the field names. At the bottom of the page we had text that read, "This appears on every page." If you move to the second page, you will see that this text actually does appear on every page. Let's switch to Design View. A default report in Design View shows page headers and page footers automatically. If you want to remove a page header and a page footer in Design View, you will right-click on either page header or page footer, where you will find the page header and the page footer selected. Let's say you want to remove it. If you want to remove it, you will just click on it. It will tell you and warn you that you will delete all the items in this section. Do you want to delete these sections anyway? Let's say yes for now. And you will note that the page header and the page footer has disappeared. Let's say you want to put them back. Right-click on the Details section and you will find that the page header and the page footer is now not selected. Once you select it, you will find that the page header and the page footer is back in the report now.